Imagine a city under siege. Or simply mass riots. Who will the police stop first? Who will a looter choose as a target? The guy in a cool tactical outfit with patches? Or the guy in a bright The North Face jacket? They both made a fatal mistake. They created visual noise. Today I will teach you the art of being nobody. I will show you how to pass through a checkpoint, evade a facial recognition system, and dissolve into a crowd even if someone is looking straight at you. At the end of the video I will reveal the 3-second rule, one psychological trick that will make any pursuer simply erase you from reality. You will literally become transparent. Your clothing is your manifesto. In a survival world, a manifesto is a target. The Tacticool mistake. If you're wearing 5.11 pants and a backpack with a mall system, you're signaling, I have a knife, a medkit, and possibly a weapon. You are priority target number 1. In 2026, neural networks recognize tactical style as a threat faster than the human eye. The solution, the Normcore concept. Blue jeans, not too new, not too ripped, a gray hoodie, mass market sneakers. But clothing is only 20% of success. The real gray man hides in movements. A crowd is a living organism with its own rhythm. Any deviation from the rhythm is an alarm signal. Each district has its own pace. In the business center, people walk quickly and purposefully. In residential areas, relaxed. If you walk slowly where everyone is running, you are an anomaly. Your task is to catch the BPM, beats per minute, of the surrounding crowd. Never look into someone's eyes for longer than 0.5 seconds. But don't lower your gaze to the floor either, that's a sign of a victim or someone guilty. Look through the person's shoulder. Did you know that your smartphone gives you away even when it's turned off? Let's move on to the digital trail. Why does gray man work? It's not magic, it's a biological bug in our brain. The inattentional blindness effect, our brain filters out 95% of incoming information. It keeps only danger or benefit. A Harvard study showed, if a person crosses the road in a giant gorilla costume, 50% of drivers won't notice them if they are busy counting passing white cars. Gray man is background noise. You must become like the hum of an air conditioner. It's there, but nobody hears it. In 2026, the main problem is AI cameras. To fool them, you don't need a mask. An asymmetric pattern on clothing is enough to break the geometry of the face and shoulders. Showing examples of anti-AI prints. So how do you pull off a disappearance when someone is looking right at you? If you feel like you're being followed, use the 3-second rule. Step behind a corner or into a doorway. You have exactly 3 seconds to change one key detail of your silhouette. Take off your cap. Turn your jacket inside out, if it's reversible. Put on glasses. The pursuer is looking for the guy in the red cap. When he turns the corner and sees a guy without a cap and a blue jacket, his brain concludes the target went farther. He won't even look at you a second time. Being invisible doesn't mean hiding in the shadows. It means being in plain sight while remaining unnoticed. This is the highest form of self-defense in an unstable world. If this breakdown made you reconsider your emergency wardrobe, leave a like. That's how I'll know the topic of survival in an urban environment resonates with you. Write in the comments, what one item would you take with you so as not to stand out in a crowd? Subscribe to the channel, here we reveal the mechanics of survival in the world of the future every week. Stay safe. And stay gray.